Welcome back. In this video I will guide you how to reorder or change sequence of animation in PowerPoint. So first you need to click on the slide that contains the animation you want to reorder. I'll be having animation on the page 2 and then click on the animation on the top ribbon and click on the animation pane. A sidebar will open on the right side of your screen showing a number the animation on that slide. Here is the 1, here is the 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So here how you can reorder your animation. So in the animation pane, click the hold the animation you want to move. For example, you want to move 5 to the number 1. You just need to drag it up like this one. So if you want to move the 4 number to the 1, for this you need to hold down the mouse key and drag it up to number 1 and 6 number to the 4. And now let's play it. And here you can see that the animation sequence has been changed. Moreover, when you move the animation, the numbers next to the objects will automatically update. Moreover, you can use the timing buttons. Click on the animation you want to move with the animation pane. And you will see that the reorder animation on the top, you just need to click on the move earlier. And here you can see that. So this is pretty simple. I hope you understand how you reorder your change the sequence of animation in PowerPoint.